The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. This is a biological hazard warning issued for Bronx County. At around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, two unknown dead creatures had risen from their grave at the rear end of St. Raymond's Cemetery in the Throgs Neck section of the Bronx. At this time, these unknown awoken bodies are planning to return to Norwood to attack civilians and turn them into zombie-like creatures themselves. Stay tuned for further information as this situation develops. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Civil danger for Northeast Bronx County. This message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department in conjunction with the Mayor of New York City. At around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the zombie-like creatures that risen from their grave at St. Raymond's Cemetery have been identified. Their names are Carmen Edith Leon Corrigan and Kenneth Patrick Corrigan. Carmen is an awoken 79-year-old zombie while her zombie husband is 74. Kenneth died of stage 4 skin cancer on February 23, 2016, while Carmen died of stage 4 ovarian cancer on November 30, 2019. They both shared a grave in the same spot where they would be buried on different dates. Kenneth was buried at the back of the cemetery on February 29, 2016, which was a leap year, and Carmen was buried in the same spot on December 5, 2019. Kenneth was a former United States Marine while Carmen was a Bronx 200 artist. Their whereabouts are in Norwood near the Mashola Parkway 4 train station. All residents should seek refuge immediately and notify the New York City Police Department immediately. Stay tuned for further information. Civil danger warning is issued for the following areas in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Nassau, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. This message is transmitted at the request of the New York State government. Carmen and Kenneth are now heading into Rockland County via Interstate 87 and the Mario M. Cuomo Tappan Zee Bridge. All residents in the entire county of Rockland must seek an underground shelter and must keep quiet so that these two zombies don't smell fear. Stay tuned for further information.
Civil danger for Orange County, New York. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Police Department. The Florida Police Department have spotted the awoken zombies from the Bronx in the area near a local Denny's in the town of Florida. All residents in the town of Florida must seek an underground shelter, grab food, water, a battery-powered radio, some screw-on incandescent light bulbs, a battery-powered flashlight just in case your light bulb goes out, a portable toilet to use the bathroom with, a set of dental supplies for your oral hygiene, deodorant, seek an underground shower or bathtub with a shower head for showering, some extra body wash for body hygiene, hand soap for your hands, an underground sink for your hands, bring paper cups and your medications for your own personal health, and most importantly, bring a plug-in television for your stay down in your underground shelter. Stay tuned for further information as this situation unfolds.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Port Jervis Police Department. The Port Jervis Police Department are asking all residents in Monroe County, Pennsylvania, Sullivan County, New York, and other counties in New Jersey surrounding US 209 to seek an underground shelter so that these awoken bodies don't smell your fear. Stay tuned for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Monticello Police Department. The awoken bodies have entered the Holiday Mountain ski area uninvited. They have eaten multiple people's brains and killed the other people. At this time, Holiday Mountain is closed until further notice. Stay tuned for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. The Pennsylvania State Police are asking all residents in Lake Harmony and Middle Smithfield Townships to shelter in place immediately. Please do not go outdoors, and remain away from windows or openings to the outside. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. The Pennsylvania State Police are asking all residents in Lake Harmony and Middle Smithfield Townships to continue to shelter in place. Please do not go outdoors, and remain away from windows or openings to the outside. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for further information. An administrative message from the Pennsylvania State Police in conjunction with the New York State Police. This message is issued for the following areas: Monroe County, Pennsylvania, and for the following areas: in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Nassau, Rockland, Suffolk, Westchester, Orange and Sullivan. All of the zombies in New York and Pennsylvania have been killed. You may come out of your shelters now. We now resume regular programming.